Howdy, White Linen Night 2026 Heights, baby. I can't wait. It's this weekend, August 1st, 2026, Saturday from 6 to, I believe, 10 o'clock. And they're closing down the streets on 20th Street from Yale to Ashland. So basically, no traffic, no cars, just some white linen night, people dressed up, having a good time, drinking some good adult beverages and maybe some non-alcoholic beverages. Lots of restaurants and cafes are going to be open. It's going to be fun and crazy. And I wanted to show you guys a little bit about what the Heights is, or what the White Linen Night in the Heights is. If you're not familiar, I'm sure everyone in Houston is. And so I was there. This was back in 2022. Me and a realtor friend, we cozied on up with Bobcat Teddy's, which is a great local spot on White Oak. And so back then they used to have, they're probably still going to have it this year. I don't think they're going to close the streets down, but they used to close the streets down on White Oak Boulevard, which is another main drag, which is more south of the 20th Street, closer more to I-10 East and West. So they used to close that street down, but not anymore. But it is $20 to get in. I think I said that already. For the 20th Street location, that's for adults and kids. So none of this 5 and under free stuff. So White Oak Boulevard also has parties and a lot of celebrations. They're going to have bands. And I'm going to show you guys a YouTube video that I made back in 2022. And me and a realtor friend were out there promoting our business, kind of just getting into it, getting our names out there. And a lot of the shots were so much fun. I took with my drone and everything. So let's check it out. Here we go. Yeah, look at that, guys. I mean, right there is freaking so much fun. I mean, that was an area view. Look at so many people. That's Bobcat Teddy's. They had a live band there. Lots of fun, lots of people. Got to meet, oh man, I had my drone floating right over there on the, howdy, it is Armando Espinosa with Empire Properties team, brokered by E. I'll never wear those shades again. I had my little sold sign and everything. I still have that sign.
Come down and see us.
Maybe I should get a new design.
Let everyone know where we are tonight.
We are at Bobcat Teddy's.
Bobcat Teddy's, baby.
Setup. Kind of like an open house setup.
It's kind of scrub.
I've got a full house till about 9 o'clock.
You guys come out.
Yes, there you go. Look at that. That's so much fun.
We're about to hear the band.
The band's setting up. This is probably about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock.
Awesome.
Our good friend lender Jordan, Brian Jordan.
One of our favorite bars.
I'm not really sure what lending company he's with.
With Empire Properties team, brokered by E.
However, yeah, I just I'm not sure what company, but he sponsored us. Basically, we gave free tickets out to the people that came and signed in that were looking to make a move, and look at them dancing. Let's go. I always got to promote my sold sign. Let's do it. And again, if you don't know me yet, my name's Armando. I'm a local realtor here inside the loop, relocating families out, in, sideways, left ways, whatever ways, and listing agent, buyer's agent. We also do rentals. So yeah, the Houston market has been so much fun. And man, look at that. That was a busy night, the 2022 night. We were just getting out of COVID. I can't say that word. Hopefully I don't get shadow banned, but yeah, I think that's about to end. So check out that video. I just put out that video ranking Houston's top 10 videos. So yeah, I mean, that was super fun. We had a great time. And everyone there is great. So if you are in the area, stop by. However, I am hosting an open house from 12 to 4 o'clock. 12 to 4 o'clock. And I will be at 1535 Rutland Street this weekend. So basically, I'm staging the open home just like 4 blocks away from the 20th Street location. I want to show you guys what that looks like. So let me change up my screen here. I'm going to bring up the map. So we have the map here. So that's where 1535 Rutland Street and 20th Street is right here. So you're about 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks and you're right there. And they're going to be closing the streets here right in the middle, guys. Ashland Street. And this is Yale right here. Hello. Yale. So basically this long strip here is going to be closed down. I will be right there, guys. I'll be right there from 12 to 4. Come in, say hello, even if you're not looking to make a move. I would love to see you. I'm going to have drinks. I'm putting together some white linen night kind of attire that you can wear out right before the event or for the event. And I'm renting a snow cone machine, guys. And again, I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna show you the listing, y'all. Let's go. So this is the listing right here, 1535 Rutland Street. We're listed at $1.773 million, which is a great deal right inside the heart of the Heights where you can walk to these cool events yearly. I mean, so we have the White Linen Night in the summers, August 1st or whatever day it lands, but it'll be the 1st of August or the beginning of August. Then we have in the Christmas time or during the holiday season, we have Heights and the Lights, guys. Heights and Lights is so much fun. It's I think it's just as crazy. They close down the historic streets like the Balin streets, the Omar Street, Euclid Street, and I forget the others. There's basically 3 or 4 streets they closed down from Houston Avenue to Studewood. And it's just a big freaking party, guys. It's so much fun. I mean, Houston is known for porch parties. And so they have like Santa Claus on, singing and, rocking around the jingle bells, whatever it's called, rock around. I forget what it's called, but it's awesome. Okay. You walk around, you look at all the inventive and the creative Christmas lights in the Heights, and that's usually I think a week before Christmas, or maybe it's 2 weeks, I'm not sure. So yeah, so this is the benefit of living in the Heights, guys. And this home here is beautiful. I mean, it has a porte-cochere. This is a true Heights, definitely a true Heights wraparound porch, guys. Look at that wraparound porch. It's got the antiquity there. You don't see that very often because a lot of these Heights homes, unfortunately, are almost becoming extinct. They're not preserving them. So we have the beautiful porch swing. And let me give a shout out to the listing agent. This is not my listing. I am hosting it. Susanne Spencer with Keller Williams. She is allowing us to come in and present this home to everyone in the world for the open home right before the White Linen Night. So even if you're not buying, I really want to see you guys check out this beautiful home because you may come across someone, at the end of the summer that's looking to make a move. And that could be, their forever home or their home for now. Because when you move inside the city, you're probably trying to get closer to work. You're probably definitely want more space. And you definitely, a lot of people like this wine area. You definitely want the rental opportunity because it has a garage apartment in the back. It's huge. It's like a big room. It's almost looks like a studio. It has a a full bath, not half, a full bath, and a closet space. And look at that kitchen. And it does have a kitchen, like a burner, a stove or anything, but it does have an outlet, so maybe you can put an electric stove to that. So, but it does not have a sink, so maybe you can plumb out a sink. But I love the colors of this forest screen. So shout out to Susanne Spencer. I don't know why I want to say Simpson. Susanne Spencer. Maybe I had a friend named Suzanne Simpson. But Susanne Spencer with Keller Williams. So thank you to her. Shout out to her. She's been really great. And so I want to show you guys that has a dog bath, guys. A dog bath. There you go. Look at that. When I drink my nitro coffee. A dog bath, y'all. Let's go. So this home everyone loved how large this room is. It's got the vaulted ceilings right there. and the bathroom, the closet space. You have the quartz countertops right there. Lots of storage. And people that are looking for something definitely want elbow room from their spouses. That, hey, I want the sink. Maybe you're in a primary bedroom or bathroom that only has one sink, or maybe you have two, but you don't have counter space or somewhere to sit down and relax and get ready for the day or the night. And you have the huge closet space. So a lot of my open home visitors that came by loved the closet space. So that's just amazing. And then you have the office right there for your work at home folks, and nice little baby room. And in that room, it has a dual sinks and a huge shower tub combo. And then this is the third bedroom right here. Third bedroom leading into the full bathroom. Lots of space. And then you have the backyard. This is a virtual stage. So this is what it could look like if you have, patio furniture and all that. And then this is the upstairs rental. This is virtually staged, so this what could look like if you were to have a game room. And this is the bathroom, and this is a mock-up of what you could maybe put in a pool. And beautiful photo. Actually took that photo, and in the back of the property, I took that photo too. It's beautiful. In the back of the property is an alleyway. So let me go back to the map. So when I zoom in on the map, there's an alleyway right here, guys, right here. So maybe I can go, let's see here. Okay, so that's a street view. So basically this is the home for sale. If we go 3 or 4 blocks up, we're hitting 20th Street, but we're gonna make a left, go down. So there's an alleyway where you can possibly build out a garage entrance right in this alleyway. So right there's the property. So these people here built something out where they enter from the backside, make it private, and you can call planning and permitting to see if you can do that with your property. This is the actual property right there. So that's something that's possible because you have a garage apartment. So if you have tenants right there, then you can definitely have their own private entrance leading into the garage apartment, if that's something that you do, or if you have a son or a daughter or friend, family member, and all that. So this is kind of the outlook of the property or the area. Let's go back to 20th Street. This is about 4 blocks. So bam, we're almost there, guys. A short walk while you're ready to go. This is 20th Street. This is where the action's gonna be at. So Man Ready Mercantile is gonna be crazy busy. That's a great place to go buy your men's clothes and all that good stuff. And then you have the Heights Theater. That's a cool place to go watch shows. Antique shops right there. Antiques on 19th. Let's go. And then I believe that there's a sandwich shop somewhere. Oh, and then Jenny's ice cream is really freaking good. That's always Torchy's Tacos. That's always busy. So I recommend walking on Ashland Street because the other street's going to be busy. So if we go back, Ashland Street just goes all the way. Let's see, for 16th Street. I think we got to go one more. Let's go back to the map. Yeah, so we're going to go back here, and then boom, we're back. I think we're back. Here we go. Where are we at? Kind of cattywampus here. Oh yeah, here we go. We're back on Rutland. So we're gonna go back home to your home, guys. That's it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. But the home is beautiful, listed at 1.773. And yes, so this is some video, and I just want to share with you guys on what other photos it looks like. This is culture map. Let me double check. There we go. Uh-oh, no. So yeah, so this is fun. Look at that. I mean, this is 20th Street. Lots of cool people just hanging out. Everyone's fun. See if I have any more photos. But yeah, that's it. But I'll be here from 12 to 4 o'clock, 15:35, which would be perfect. I love to see you. Come out and see me. Check out the home, even if you're not buying. Maybe it's something for a friend, family member, coworker that's trying to be more in the city, that needs more space, that needs more property. They love gardening and all that. So other than that, comment below on what's your favorite part of the Heights. And if you've been by the Heights, it's definitely so much fun. I mean, I love having a good time. And I'm renting a snow cone machine, guys. Compliments of me, my trusted title person, Nima Taharian, with Sigma Title, and Janelle. She just changed brokerages, so sorry, Janelle. I'll put your information down. Apologize for that. You had just changed brokerages. Maybe I can figure it out right now. And also, while I'm doing that, Megan Garrett is always a big supporter of all the open homes that we do have around the city. She's with Goosehead Insurance, guys. Goosehead Insurance. Let me double check. So she's great. So check out Megan Garrett for all your homeowners insurance. She does all insurance. She's great. She gives you the best quotes, the best rates. I want to put it down in the show notes. Janelle Viscomi. She's a local lender. You need local lending these days. None of this big box lending companies. You want someone in your corner that knows the market, number one, that has your back, number two, that answer their phone call and actually care about your deal, your transaction, and all that. So yeah, and so those three great vendors are working with me. We have Nima Taharian with Sigma Title. I'm still looking for your Sigma Title. Megan Garrett with Goosehead Insurance. Goosehead Insurance, go, go, go. And Janelle Viscomi with she's a lender. I just don't have her information yet. And but I'll definitely put it in the show notes. Sorry, Janelle, if you're seeing this out there. So again, Armando, local Houston realtor here and inside the loop. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, relocate, invest, rent, I'm your guy. Me and my team, or my team and I, my English teacher would be mad at me. So we'd love to help you out. My information is down below, 281-455-8412. And I want to see y'all White Linen Night in this weekend, August 1st, 12 to 4, 1535 Rutland Street. And then you guys can have dinner or pre-dinner before the actual party. Get some, go to Good Company Cantina. Good Company Cantina, you better make a reservation. It's going to be insane if they're not already booked up. Call that place. They have amazing margaritas, amazing fajitas. Everything is great. So other than that, take care and hope to see you soon this weekend. Adios. Bye.